Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lilx token, not Lil Nas X. This is a different person here. This is a child this meme coin is based off of. I saw a news article and it had a picture, I think it was like Vivek and maybe Trump was there, somebody was there, and then Elon Musk was there, talking into a microphone. And he had a kid with him, and then 2 seconds later, of course, you go over to Dex Screener. You're looking at the trending Solana tokens, and Lilx trending #1. Of course, everybody's up to date on their Elon Musk memes in the crypto world, and whenever any sort of meme happens involving Elon, all of a sudden there is a meme coin named after it, and so now we have Lilx on Sol. Trending #1 just came out 21 hours, 6 minutes ago, hot off the press, this token. Huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. They also have a Telegram. Their Telegram is at Lilx Sol. 1,589 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new partnerships, token listing announcements, memes, you name it. And then their Twitter, which is right here at Lilx Sol, says Lilx, the world's youngest legend in the making, carried by Elon Musk. And they have in the banner there, they show a picture of Elon Musk carrying Lilx there. He's got quite a fancy hairdo there. This Twitter just joined January 2024. They have 22,100 Twitter followers. Has a link to their Telegram right there. But if you're looking for the rest of the links, there's 9 posts so far on this Twitter. Just scroll down into the pinned tweet there, and there is not only the contract address right at the top, and it says Lilx is live now. Then it has a link to the Dex Screener chart where you can find more links, more info, see how the token's doing. Now, you could find Solana tokens on SolScan, but if you're looking for the chart, you could also find it on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. So check out the Dex Screener link. And then the Telegram, and it says, to celebrate the launch, we're giving away 1 million Lilx tokens. Be among the first to retweet and like in the first 1,000 comments. And it says drop wallet, so they're doing a little giveaway there. You can check that out. Now, this token was created on pump.fun, which is a webpage for creating Solana meme coins, and you can tell because the contract address ends in pump. And yeah, if you wanted to get the token, it's pretty straightforward here. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet, and you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Once you funded your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the depths, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Lilx token using the contract address you could find in their pinned tweet there, or you could find it on their webpage. You can find it on Dex Screener chart. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you probably will not have to set slippage because I haven't seen anything about taxes as of yet. And you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium, so just be aware of that as well. And then this token may also be available on other dexes for Solana, like Orca, Meteora, Jupiter, and then maybe they'll get some central exchange listings in the future if this token continues to do well. And that's why it's a good idea to follow the socials like the Twitter and the Telegram to see all the new announcements. On their webpage, they also have a DEX tools chart. Now their webpage, lilxsol.xyz, has links to the charts, the socials, and a how to buy section and the contract address. So it says here, yeah, how to buy step by step. And on DEX Screener, it says here, Lilx, the world's youngest legend in the making, carried by Elon Musk. They have been doing a marketing boost on DEX Screener. So it says marketing boost adds 9,000 lightning bolts, and that's a lot of ads. So right now they're trending number 2. Token just came out, let's see here, 21 hours, 11 minutes ago, and they have 674.95 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 36,712,334 pooled Lilx tokens. They also have a couple quick audits here. So on DEX Screener, they have a quick audit that says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. And then on DEX Screener, they have a quick Intel security audit. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But again, keep in mind, it's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit, doesn't go over everything. And you should thoroughly do your own research. I don't see a KYC or anything like that either. And, a lot of these newer tokens, sometimes the dev abandons the project in these meme coins and they become a community takeover. So keep in mind that's always possible too as well, that could happen. Now they have a community trust score of 100%, but that's only out of 3 votes. They only have a DEX score of 82 out of 99. They lost a lot of points for information because there's not much info on their webpage. They have here 18,760 holders so far. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's deflationary, and right now the total and circulating supply is 999.98 million tokens. And lastly, their market cap right now, $4.3 million. They are up 4,440% in the past 24 hours. In the past 24 hours, they have a trading volume of $17.4 million. They've almost had 114,000 transactions. $321,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.97% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.